Hi everyone, I'm Chris. I've just started a new investing channel. It's called Coffee Break Investing. Uh, I'm Chris Fox. I'm going to be posting all of my investment related videos here. I'm a London-based investor. I invest long in stocks and ETFs, and it's a relatively new passion for me. Since I've discovered it in 2019, I really love investing and I want to pass on that passion to anyone else who's interested in investing as well. So the kind of investor I am, I generally just invest some of my income into the stock market each month, which is a concept called dollar cost averaging. The tools that I use, I'm going to go into them in more detail in future videos, of course. But I do use DeGiro as my investment account, and I use Simply Wall Street for my research tool. I'm going to tell you loads about those tools as we go through. I would highly recommend both of them. I think they're really great. They help me with my investments and they really inform me on being able to make good decisions in a stock market that is currently volatile because of the coronavirus and the spread of the coronavirus around the world. And, at the beginning of 2020, we saw quite a steep retraction in the market, a downturn. And if you're the kind of person who's worried about investing in that kind of market, I'm here to take you on that journey. I'm going to share my portfolio with people to show people the stocks and the ETFs that I'm personally investing in, and the decisions that I'm making at this point in time as we head probably towards a recession. So why should you subscribe? Anyone who is interested in long-term investing, anyone who is interested in building wealth over the long term, making your money work for you, those are key pieces of parts of the channel that I want you to be interested in. What I don't do is I don't do day trading. I don't do stop loss trading. I don't trade on margin. I don't short any stocks or any stock markets. So I'm just pure long-term investor. I buy stocks and shares. I buy ETFs, and that's it. I keep them for the long haul, and I watch them grow and receive passive income from them in terms of dividend and capital growth. So the reason why I love investing is because I realized it's a way to tap into the energy of the world. So what that means is, on my own, I've only got my own personal energy, and that can be as much as I can possibly put into life. But when you think about investing, you're actually tapping into the total energy of all of the people that work for that company. Or if you invest in like an ETF that covers the S&P 500, you're tapping into the energy of all of the people that work for those companies in the United States. And actually, because these are global companies, you're tapping into the energy of the people that work around the world. That is a very powerful thing for me. And that is a big difference between keeping your money in the stock market and keeping your money in a savings account, where the interest rates are low anyway, but what interest you're going to receive, and there's really you're not really putting your money to work. You're just keeping your money as it is. Whereas the stock market, you're actually tapping into the energy of people and the movement of capital around the world. So what you can expect from future videos, and please do subscribe, like this video, comment down below, let me know what your stock tips are. I am going to post future videos on my own stock tips, my own ETF tips, what my opinions are on the market, my opinions on individual companies. I'm not really always going to sit on the fence. I'm going to give my opinions about what I think, what I feel I want to invest in at this time. Obviously, I'm not providing any kind of financial advice. You should do your own research. These are just going to be my opinions. But if you're interested to hear those opinions and to see what I'm doing with my portfolio, then subscribe, ring the notification bell, comment down below, let me know what your tips are, ask me questions about how I think and any questions that you might have, comment down below, and I'll get my answers back to you. And I'm also going to share my personal portfolio with you. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm invested in, how much I have invested in each stock, what I'm thinking about buying next, whether I'm thinking about selling anything, and just generally what my best performing stocks are, what my worst performing stocks are, how I feel about each of those performances, and really what my next steps are going to be. So subscribe to the channel, and you are going to receive lots of investing videos from me, lots of opinions, and hopefully if you're new to investing, I'll find a way to get you involved if you're willing to start investing for yourself. Or if you're a seasoned investor, you can hear my opinions. I monitor a lot of different stock markets around the world, and if it's of interest to you, I'll just share my insights with you. All right, great guys. Subscribe, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers, bye for now.